Hey, what's up, guys? It's Van with applewatchreviewed.com. It came. It's been like since the beginning of April that I ordered it. I just got it this weekend. I got it yesterday, but I didn't have a chance to open it. So, we're going to do this thing. Check out the Apple Watch. Open it up. Try it out. Typical Apple case. Fancy. Not gonna come off. There it is. That's it. So I got the 42 millimeter one. I haven't ordered a band for it yet because I wanted to try this one out and then kind of look at the bands at a later time. But so there's the Taptic display. The front of it. It's pretty flimsy, which I like. I was worried that this was going to be like hard plastic, and I was going to hate wearing it, but it feels really soft. I don't know how else to explain it than it feels really soft. I don't know if I need to turn it on. I just turn it on. I don't know how much charge it has. I ordered a stand-up charger for it as well, so it'll kind of like a floating charger looking thing. But we'll see how long the power up takes. Probably a while, I would think. I can turn it on. I'll just pause it. I'll turn it back on when it actually is on and running.